Everyone, let's talk about Karan Aujla new controversy which is also related to cheating. Okay, so अभी recently ना एक social media में post जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा circulate हो रही है. So basically this is related with MS Gauri Music, which is a Hollywood film production, and also they something related to music also. Okay, so there's this girl which claims I work in Hollywood film. I was silenced and publicly shamed after a private relationship with Karan Aujla, which I entered without knowing that he was married. Ojla teams then reached out to the Indian influencer to share false information to cover it all up. Police in Canada and the US are looking at it. False criminal allegations were then circulated about me, went viral in the West, and were quietly kept out of India. A major US media outlet is now preparing an interview me into, and for the first time I'm choosing to speak on this. I believe I have the right to share my story. Since doing so, multiple celebrities in India have reached out privately saying they are inspired by me speaking out. I'm prepared to provide further context. करण औजला पर सीरियस एलिगेशन लगाया जा रहा है. बॉलीवुड फिल्म प्रोफेशनल ने क्लेम किया है कि वो करण के साथ प्राइवेट रिलेशनशिप में थी विदाउट नोइंग कि वो ऑलरेडी मैरिड. जब उसने सच बोलना चाहा तो उसे साइलेंस करने की कोशिश करी गई. सबसे शॉकिंग क्लेम कि औजला की टीम ने डैमेज कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक इंडियन इन्फ्लुएंसर के थ्रू फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन सर्कुलेट करवाई. वेस्ट में एलिगेशंस वायरल हुए लेकिन इंडिया में ऑलमोस्ट रेडियो साइलेंस रहा. सो अभी आफ्टर सर्चिंग अबाउट दिस मोर, people were literally commenting on this. Okay, so this have been a knowledge for years. Like so many people say Ojla cheats on his wife. This particular girl has came out and shared 2 years ago. The girl literally shared one screenshot at a point, among other things that used and gave proof. If it was fake, Ojla would have sued her by now. Okay, so अभी comments में लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? Let's know. When I heard this I guess in 2020, I was so offended. I used to love, idolize, and respect Ojla so much, and I still love him, but I can't replicate the respect I had for him before this cheating thing. Okay, so now the comments are talking about in 2020. So okay, now after searching about it more, I found this 1 year back Reddit post which says girl who says loyalty like Karan Aujla's. Let me break your bubble. Karan Aujla and his wife Palak Aujla are in open relationship. One of my friends from Australia claims that she hooked up with his popular Punjabi singer who sang Tauba Tauba. He normally makes songs that represent a man's loyalty towards his woman, but the irony is that he is not the same one he claims to be. He involved with multiple Indian girls from Canada, Australia, UK, and his wife is okay with this all. Okay, so now we can get it. Let me know in comments what you people think about this.